Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I'm a full-time content creator living in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with my fiance and Labradoodle, Indio. So in today's video, we are finally doing fall decorating. I've had my fall decor for a couple of weeks now, and I have been wanting to get around to doing my fall decorating, but I wanted to finish my decorated apartment tour first. So if you guys have been following along for a while now, I actually moved across the country from the Pacific Northwest to Nashville, and then from Nashville to Pittsburgh. But I had to start over from scratch as far as decorating because we moved with only whatever I could fit in my Jeep. And it's definitely taken kind of a long time to finish decorating. So I really wanted to get that fully decorated apartment tour out because I've been mentioning it for a while. It just kind of took me a long time because I was thrifting most of the decor. But I'm super happy with how everything turned out. And now that I've gotten all of that content, I'm ready to do my fall decorating. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So I've got some decor here from Target, Trader Joe's, and Walmart. So I'm going to show you guys everything, and then I'll also be showing you how I'm going to style it in my apartment. Okay, so I have all these different kinds of felt pumpkins, and then also these little like faux ceramic pumpkins that we're going to mix around. I got these 3 larger ones at Walmart for $6 each. I'm planning on picking up maybe another set or 2 because I like how they look stacked together. So I only have the 1 set for now, but I'll hopefully be going back for more soon. Hopefully they'll still have them. I also have some dried fall foliage. These 2. The 2 that are in these packets are from Trader Joe's, and they were $3 each. So I'm planning on mixing these around. And then I have 3 sets of faux fall foliage from Target that I got in the dollar spot for $3 each. So $3 each, and then these were also $3 each, but they're real. So I'm just gonna kind of mix these around. I have some different vases already, but I also have these vases here that I've been saving. Earlier this year, I worked with 1-800-Flowers, and they sent me, sorry guys, that's Indio. They sent me flowers in these vases, and I liked how they had this raffia stuff, I think it's raffia, tied to the top. Just makes it look a little bit cuter, and I feel like these would look good for fall decor as well. So we'll see. I may incorporate these somehow. It just depends on if my tabletops need a little bit more decor or not. And then the last thing we'll be decorating with are these garlands, eucalyptus garlands that I got from Amazon. It's a set of 2, and they were actually really affordable. I think they were like under 15, not positive. So I'm going to use these in a couple of spots. So let's go ahead and get started with decorating. Okay, so I got the garland up. I'm gonna have to play around with it and like fluff it up a little bit, but I think that looks really good for now. And I have one other one, and I just have to figure out where I want to put that. But let's go ahead and keep on decorating. Okay guys, all of a sudden it's a little dark, but I added a little pumpkin here to my dresser. And then I also added one to each nightstand, and that is it for now. And I may add some more decor to the bedroom later. Okay, so that took a little bit of finagling, but I think it looks pretty good there. It wasn't quite long enough to do what I was hoping to do, which was to kind of have it like swoop down, more like a Christmas garland. It wasn't quite long enough. So I'm kind of just placing it on top, which I think still looks pretty good. Adds a little festivity over here. And then I popped in a couple of the felt and faux ceramic pumpkins from Target. All of those were like $3 each, except for the ceramic ones. Those ones there were $1 each, and the felt ones were $3 each, and I got all of them from the Target dollar spot. I may end up changing this around a bit because I am going to be turning this area into kind of like a little wine bar area. So check back for that video soon. So this will just be for now, and we'll see what this ends up becoming later. Okay, so now moving on to the fall foliage. I've got my faux ones and the real ones here. I'm going to mix in a few into this ceramic pot over here, ceramic vase. And then I've got my other ones here, the clear ones, which I'm gonna also do, and then I'll find spots for them. Okay, so here is what that vase looks like. It had only enough room for this one bunch, and then the other tall bunch I think should go in like a different vase. I don't have a tall one like that though, another one. So I may end up having to look for one of those, but I think this one looks really cute. I really love the way that these pastel pumpkins look, especially in a boho home. So I'm super glad that Target had these, and they were only $1 each. Okay, so I added one of the fall bunches here to this basket that I thrifted recently. I think it's like the perfect basket for flowers and herbs, so I thought it would be a cute way to display that little bunch there and a felt pumpkin from Target. I put that taller bunch here because this is the only other like tall basket that I had, which already has the pampas grass in it. I have another spot with pampas grass in my bedroom, which definitely lends itself to fall decor as well. So like I said, I may end up trying to find a taller vase for those guys, and if not, then I'll just trim them down a little bit and put them in one of the smaller vases. I ended up putting the stack of Walmart pumpkins over here, but I kind of want to get at least one more stack somewhere else. And then I added the blue felt pumpkin there on my desk. And over in here, we've got the bookcase. I also have this cute little wood bowl here, which was a thrift find, and it's actually in the shape of a leaf. And it has some crystals that were gifted to me in it, which I think is a perfect touch for fall and autumn. Popped in a few more faux pumpkins, and I added one of the vases there. I think the top looks really good with the garland, and then my other little pumpkins that I popped in. Got the other vase here, which I may end up moving, and I definitely need to fill it with something. And then I have this other wood bowl in the shape of a pumpkin. It's like a pumpkin or a gourd with these little, I think, are they acorns or chestnuts? Acorns, right? I'm pretty sure. That I've been collecting on my walks with Indio, and I just thought that would be a cute little touch for fall. Okay, so that is all of the fall decorating that I'm going to do today. Like I said, I kind of want to go back to Walmart and grab at least one more stack of the 3 pastel pumpkins to do like another bunch somewhere else in the apartment, maybe 2, we'll see. And then I may end up needing to get like a couple more foliage pieces for my decorative vases. But I'm super happy with how everything turned out. I've really been wanting to get my fall decorating done. I've been collecting stuff slowly over the weeks. It can be kind of tricky sometimes to find decor, like festive decor that looks good in a boho home, but I feel like I definitely found some great pieces. The pastel pumpkins at Walmart and Target definitely made a big difference. And I'm so glad that I got faux ones that I'll be able to reuse, because usually the pastel pumpkins, which I think are called like fall fantasy pumpkins or something like that, they're more expensive than the traditional pumpkins, so it definitely adds up, especially if you're getting them every year. So it's kind of nice that I have some faux ones that I can reuse over the years. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe for more thrifting, home, and styling videos. I also post a ton of that content on my social platforms, which are Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. I'm on all of those at The Urban Darling and on theurbandarling.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.